Hey BG, it's Mr. Washington here, going over our math objectives for this coming week. So our objective this week will be adding two-digit numbers using a number bond. So today I'm going to show you the two ways that we are going to use that number bond to add those big numbers. Or with our first way, we're always going to go to the smallest number. So we always take away from the smallest number. And we always want to take out 10. So we're going to go to the smallest number. We're always going to take out 10. So after we take out 10 from 12, we got to figure out how many's left over. So we took 10 from 12. We should know we have 2 left over. I'm going to exit this out so we know we don't need that 12 anymore. Next, we need to add our 15 and our 10. So we're going to add the two numbers left over. So I always add in the two numbers left over. So at 15 plus 10. So I'm going to start a new number sentence. I'm going to put it over here. So it's going to be 15 plus 10. Now, if we can't know that, if we don't know that right on top of our heads, we can count on our fingers, or we can do our quick 10 pictures. So I'm going to pretend like I don't know this off the top of my head, and I'm going to use my quick 10 pictures. So first, we have 15. So for 15, I know I have 1 10, and then 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 15. Next, we're adding 10. So for 10, we know we just need 1 10 stick. So now, we need to add them all together. So we have a 10 stick here, and then a 10 stick here. So we're going to add our 10 sticks first. 10, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So we add them all together. We know our number is 25. So that means we should know that 15 plus 10 equals 25. Next, so we have one more step. Now we need to bring our 25 down. And we need to add that 2, because our 2 is left over. We need to add that 2 to our 25. And this is easy peasy. We should just count that on our fingers. 25, 26, 27. So we know 25 plus 2 is 27. Then we go back to our answer. 15 plus 12 equals 27. So we need to write our 27 up here. Great. Now, for our second example, the example is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be a little bit different. So with our second example, we're still going to go to our smallest number, but we need to take out a number that's going to make our other number into a 10. So remember our 10s, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So those are our 10s. So we have to make this 15 into one of those 10s. So let's think for a second. What will be the closest 10 from 15? I'm thinking, and the closest 10 to our 15, we're going to say 20. So we need to turn this 15 into 20. So what do I need to take from my 12 that will make my 15 into 20? 5. That's right. So I'm going to take my 5 out. Now, this is where we have to use our counting skills, count our fingers or count our head. So I took 5 from 12, and I'm going to count backwards. I took 5 from 12. So now, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So I should know I have 7 left over. And if I need to double check that, I can just add those two together. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. So we know 5 and 7 make 12. I'm going to cross out my 12. Next, we're going to circle our 15 and our 5, and we need to put these two numbers together. Remember what I said earlier, we need to turn this 15 to a 10, and we said we're going to make it into a 20. So we should know 15 plus 5 equals 20. And now we're going to make a new number sentence. We know 15 plus 5 is 20. Now we need to add the 7 to our 20. Add the 7 to our 20. So if I can't do this in my head, I can draw a picture. So 20, we know that's 2 10s. That's 1 10 stick, and that's another 10 stick. Next, we have 7. So with 7, we know there are no 10s, but we know we have 1s. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now all I do is add them all together. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So I know 20 plus 7 equals 27. Then I go back to my first number sentence. 15 plus 12 equals 27. Great job. So this second way is a little bit harder, but right before break we were doing it this first way. So I want everyone to make sure they're practicing both ways. So remember, you use the smallest number, take the 10 out, add our 10 to our other number, and then make sure we're making new number sentences. And if you need to, make sure you draw your pictures with your 10 sticks. And then for the other way, make sure we always want to make this first number, the big number, want to make that number into a 10. So we got to take out a number from the smallest part to make the big number into a 10. Don't forget your new number sentences and your pictures if you can't count in your head or on your fingers. All right. Good job, everyone. I can't wait to see your hard work and see how everyone does. All right, good luck, BG. Have a great rest of your day.